Riley, come this side.
Riley. Hey Sam. It's Danny. I was just calling. Did you guys ever lose a puppy or something? A lab? You did? Is it black? Does it have little white on its back paws? Yeah, she's playing with Riley right now. Sure,
Tell her come get her.
Is it a girl dog? Yeah, yeah, that's a white chin you said?
No white chin.
Okay, wait. Hold on.
This is pure black. I found her on Silver Oak. Tell her I found her on Silver
My
Oak.
mom found it on Silver Oak, but it doesn't have a white chin. Come here, dog. It doesn't have a white chin.
It's
just
pure black.
Actually, Mom, it does have a white chin. Look at it. Mom, isn't it?
Doesn't have a collar.
It doesn't have a collar, right? It doesn't. Come here, puppy. Yeah,
No.
it has a mom. That's a white chin.
No, it doesn't have a white chin.
What is that? It's not. It's a dull white, right? And
It has a white neck.
behind that.
It has a white neck.
Mom, can you just stop?